Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a puff pastry Christmas tree. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you're going to need one of these packages of puff pastry. Then you're going to need a half a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of butter, and we are going to melt that, 1 egg and some water for an egg wash, and then if you want, you can use some sprinkles. I'm using some green and some red sanding sugar. And then you also need a star cookie cutter. Let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 400 degrees. And then we're going to open up our package and unroll our puff pastry. I am also going to use a rolling pin just to thin that out a bit. That looks great. So I just used a pizza cutter and just cut out a tree shape. But you want it to be as wide as your other 2 pieces together will make, because the other 2 pieces are going to make your bottom, and then the middle will be your top layer. My bottom layer is ready to go. It doesn't matter if it's not perfect. And then I cut some off of the bottom of this to make a trunk and to make the star. Now we are going to melt our butter in the microwave until it's melted and then brush it onto this layer. Now you just want to brush your melted butter over top of your bottom of your Christmas tree. That looks great, and I really only used 1 tablespoon, so I'll fix my directions for that. Now you want to take your cinnamon and sugar and mix that together, and we're going to just sprinkle it all over the top of our tree. That looks great to me, and I did save just a little bit that I'm going to add my red and green sanding sugar to, and put that on top. So now you want to just go ahead and take your top layer and just add it to the top of your tree. Okay, that looks great. So next we are just going to take our pizza cutter and we're just going to make slits 1 inch apart all the way up. But be sure that you leave at least 1 inch on both sides right here through the middle for the trunk. You don't want to slice it all the way through. That looks great to me. So now we are just going to twist that all the way up. Probably 2 to 3 times on each side, and then when you get to the top, you might just get a half of a twist. That looks great. That part does take a little bit of work, but it is worth it. It looks so adorable, and I put my star on the top here. So now in a little tiny bowl, I have my egg beat, and I beat that with a little bit of water to make an egg wash. I'm just going to brush that all over the tree and even the trunk. And the trunk, I did add some cinnamon sugar too. Okay, that looks great. You want to make sure that you get every little tree branch and the trunk and the star all the way up the trunk. And now we are just going to dust it with the rest of our cinnamon sugar, and if you want to add the green and red sprinkles. That looks so cute and festive. So now we're going to get that into our 400-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Be sure to check it after 20 though. You don't want it to burn. My Christmas tree just came out of the oven and it looks and smells amazing. We're going to let it cool off a bit and then we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Merry Christmas.